Here on the grounds of the Ag in Motion 2025 Farm Show, I'm with Peter Wall from Elevate Drone Service from BC. And Peter, you have brought the SkyRig here, which is a drone service vehicle. Tell me about the design of it.
Exactly. So we built it all with the flexible farmer in mind, which is very often he has to go ways, have to do different locations to spray. So quite often, for example, fence line spraying or waterway spraying, or for us in the orchards, you have narrow passes where you cannot get in with a trailer. You cannot get in with a big vehicle. And to turn around, you don't really want to trample your field, or you just go along the way. Another point why we designed it is we don't want to carry the drone by hand. So with this vehicle in mind, we designed it so the drone is up top, is stored in the box when the box is down, and it's protected from the elements. The drone is sitting there. You have the hose reel, you have the battery, you have the charger, you have the product mixer, you have the water with you, you have the generator, everything you need to go out and work. So with this, you would drive out to your location, and you just lift up the box by the hydraulic power pack that is on there, and when the box is open, you just slide up the lid, you get your drone out, and you're ready to fly, because you have everything up there that you need. You don't have to lift. So with a small drone, you would map out your field, you would have your big drone then start the job, and once you're done, you just fold the drone together again, put it in the box, lower it down, and you're good to go.
And that reduces the height of it, the vehicle,
yes,
while you're driving down the road. And you've got the product tank underneath the landing pad. Is that what you would call that?
That is the freshwater tank under there.
Okay.
And the product tank is way up there. So it is right where you need it.
Okay. Now, are you manufacturing this commercially for sale?
Yes.
And how would someone who's interested get a hold of you?
We have a website.
Okay.
We have an email address. We have social media presence. So people can see us, can find us, can look us up, and also can order that rig in order to either do custom work or to use it for their own farm.
Okay. And now, is this designed for a 1-ton truck, standard
Yes.
like an F350, like you've got here?
Yeah.
And it fits in the shorter bed.
It fits in the short bed. It fits in the long foot bed. It fits on the flat deck. It's very versatile.
Okay. And what's the website address that you have?
ElevateDroneService.com.
ElevateDroneService.com.
Yes.
And what's the price? Do you have a set retail price for this?
For this unit, as is, we set the price of 35,000 Canadian dollars.
And if someone's interested in them, how soon could they get one?
In approximately 3 to 4 weeks.
3 to 4 weeks? Or?
Yeah.
Peter, thanks very much for this.
Thank you.